Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix.com for a while now, but you want visitors to contact you directly from your website. Basically, adding a contact form is a total must since all of them websites include one. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you on how to actually add a contact form in WhatsApp or Wix website in 2026. As and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, you should open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Wix.com in your favorite browser. So basically, we gonna find Wix.com, tap on this website, it will take you to another window where you should usually log in using your email address and password. As for now, tap on design site or edit site, it depends on your version. Okay, so now it will load the website editor. All we're gonna do now is wait again, wait until it fully opens. Okay, so now they are preparing our website. As you see here, we have multiple options. We can basically change, we can quick edit. We have also this plus add elements. We're gonna press it. Now, there is basically a lot of options here, as you see. Images, text, buttons, strip, boxes, gallery, contact, and forms. And basically here we're gonna tap on this one. As for now, you can add existing form or just create a new one, it depends on you. You can also go to pre-made forms such as contact and just copy it from here and paste it on your website, it depends on you. Pick a design or even create it if you want to. You can also see many options such as payments, my designs, restaurants. As for me, well, let me take a look here. Okay, I will go to preview to actually show you the design of my current website. So I'm gonna go to contact all the way. So as you see here is my contact form. There is the address, visit us address, follow us. This is where you usually put your social media. Reserve a table. This is where you usually put a link so you can take them to another page so they can basically reserve. You can basically also add a schedule. It depends on you. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.